Hey WordPress developers! Thinking about setting up a WordPress multi-site network? It may overwhelm you with the technicalities of domain mapping, user management, and site configuration. Sound familiar? Well, there's good news. In today's video, I'll introduce you to InstaWP, a secret weapon that makes setting up and managing a WordPress multi-site network smooth and seamless. Whether it's for demo sites, client project, or running large networks, this guide will help you save time and supercharge your workflow. Let's dive in. Okay, so first let's cover the basics. A WordPress multi-site network allows you to run multiple websites from a single WordPress installation. Think of it as the central hub where you can manage everything. It is perfect for developers handling multiple client sites, educational platforms, or even large organizations. Why should developers care? First of all, centralized management. You can update themes, plugins, or WordPress core across all sites from one dashboard. And there's cost efficiency. Hosting one installation instead of several saves you a lot of money. Flexibility, subdomain, subdirectory, or custom domains, it's all supported. As powerful as multi-sites is, it's not without challenges. That's for sure. Developers often struggle with complex setups. Configuring a multi-site network can be confusing, especially when deciding between subdomains and subdirectories. Plugins and themes conflicts, for example. Not all plugins or themes are multi-site compatible. Testing changes without affecting live sites can be very tricky. Backup and restore. Managing backups for the entire network or individual subsites is very cumbersome. This is where InstaWP steps in to make your life easier. InstaWP is a game changer for developers managing multi-site networks. It simplifies the entire process from setup to staging and cloning. And here's why it stands out. First of all, instant multi-site creation. With InstaWP, you can spin up a fully configured multi-site instance in seconds. No manual installation or database edit. Just a few clicks. And staging is made very simple. Create staging environments for your entire network or specific subsite to test updates, plugins, or themes safely. Also, effortless cloning. InstaWP allows you to clone a subsite or the entire network instantly. It is perfect for creating demos or testing environments. Backups and restore. Take backups with one click and restore any subsite or the entire network when needed. I think that it's a life changer. InstaWP Live fully supports multi-site, making it even easier to manage and deploy your WordPress project. InstaWP eliminates the friction so you can focus on development instead of troubleshooting. Okay, now let's get practical. Here's how you can manage and set up a WordPress multi-site network with InstaWP. Log into your InstaWP account, navigate to the hosting tab from the main menu. To proceed, click on the three-dot menu of your desired site and navigate to more options. Then proceed to settings from the left sidebar. In the settings, you will find the option to convert to multi-site. Click on convert to initiate the process. You will then be prompted to choose between a subdirectory or a subdomain format. For this example, select the subdirectory option and submit your choice. Once the process completed loading, you can verify the changes. Just a side note, selecting subdirectories will create each site as a subfolder within a main domain. Alternatively, choosing subdomain will generate each site as a subdomain of the main domain site. So once the multi-site update is successful, perform a magic login to verify the conversion. You should now see that the site has been successfully converted to a multi-site setup and the new site structure will be visible. And here are some pro tips to make the most of InstaWP multi-site management. Use custom templates. Create reusable templates for subsites to speed up development. Set up automated backups to stay prepared for unexpected issues and debug with logs. Leverage InstaWP's error logs to troubleshoot plugin or theme conflicts. Also, experiment safely. Always test changes in a staging environment before deploying them to live sites. So here you have it. With InstaWP, managing WordPress multi-site networks becomes fast, easy, and stress-free. From setup to staging to backups and cloning, InstaWP takes care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on building amazing sites. And here's an exclusive offer for our YouTube viewers. Use the code YouTube50 to get 50% off your monthly plan for 6 months. Don't miss this opportunity to supercharge your workflow at an unbeatable price. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more developer-focused tutorials. And don't forget to check out InstaWP, link in the description below to supercharge your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.